Making money on TikTok involves various strategies. 1. Creator Fund. Join TikTok's Creator Fund, where you can earn money based on views, engagement, and other factors. Eligibility criteria apply. 2. Live Gifts. Go live on TikTok and receive gifts from your audience. Fans purchase virtual gifts, and you earn a portion of the revenue. 3. Brand Partnerships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Showcase their products or services in your videos for a negotiated fee. 4. Affiliate Marketing. Promote affiliate products in your videos. Earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. 5. Merchandise. Sales. Utilize TikTok's merchandise shelf to sell your branded products directly to your followers. 6. Consulting and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, offer consulting or coaching services. Use your TikTok platform to showcase your knowledge. 7. Crowdfunding. Encourage your followers to support you through crowdfunding platforms or services. 8. TikTok ads. Platform. Utilize TikTok's self-serve ads platform to promote products or services targeting a specific audience. 9. Events and workshops. Host paid events or workshops on TikTok Live, sharing valuable content or skills with your audience. 10. Cross-promotion. Promote your other social media channels or external ventures, driving traffic and potential revenue. Remember, success on TikTok often involves consistent content creation, engaging with your audience, and staying attuned to trends. Choose strategies that align with your content and audience to maximize your earning potential.